set up a link redirect, use following steps. Start by accessing the side menu and selecting Experiences. Click on New Experience. You will see a pop-up. Choose Experience Type. Choose the Dynamic Link option since you intend to establish a link redirect. Click on Choose Experience. If your brand is linked with Shopify and you wish to associate your redirect link experience with a Shopify product, navigate to the Shopify product drop-down. Choose the specific product to which you want the link to be directed. After completing that step, the experience name will be automatically filled in. Here, you'll find an additional drop-down labeled Type. When you click on it, you will see various options over here. Select the link option from the drop-down menu under Destination Type. Upon expansion of drop-down, you'll encounter two options: Bridge Experience and Custom URL. In this case, I will select Custom URL. A new option, Redirect URL, would appear. In this section, you can input the website or link to which you want the redirection, then proceed to click on the Save button. Upon scanning this QR code, users will be directed to the associated link.